There's a 73 Nova Hatchback that I've got for sale. Or not. If it doesn't sell, that's okay. I'll just keep on building it until it's absolutely awesome. Right now, it's a project car. It's got really good bones. Got nice interior work done on it. Does need a dash pad. There's a crack in the dash pad, but that's not a big deal. What's nice is it's got color matching dash metal, and it's got a nice new upholstery and new carpet. Got some nice aluminum wheels, and if I can get the hood release, nice matched color paint under the hood too. The engine's had some work done on it in the past, and it's going to need some work on it now. Like, it's backfiring a little bit and missing a little bit, but the carb is pretty dirty looking. Nice interior. Hurst Vmatic shifter. Not the easiest shifter in the world to operate. You definitely have to know what you're doing with it, which means most of your buddies won't be able to drive the car. That's not such a bad thing. You don't really want your buddies driving a car like this anyway. This car is a nice cruiser. It's not gonna light up this track. It just doesn't have that kind of power, but just a nice little hot rod. If this doesn't sell for a decent price, I'll be happy to keep it. And if I keep it, I'll probably put a little bit of money into the engine, beef it up a little bit more, change the rear end gear ratio, and put a stall converter in it, rebuild the transmission with a shift kit in it, and it'll be an awesome machine. There you go. 1973 Nova Hatchback.